Good day, here's the latest news for today. With the completion of the Alubijid Isolation Facility, Governor Bambi Emano expressed his jubilation, stating that after starting from scratch, the medical healthcare services of the province have finally been revitalized and the people of Misamisnons can now finally enjoy the medical services they rightfully deserve. Here's Jobson Patlunag for the story.
Yes, Jing. During the provincial capital's 29th virtual flag raising ceremony on Monday, November 9, 2020, Governor Bambi Emano reiterated his great joy at the successful construction of the Alubijid Isolation Unit as a complementary facility to MLPH Alubijid. The governor called the success of its construction a historic event as the people of Misamis Oriental will now experience the modern medical services that they rightfully deserve. The governor took a hindsight of the situation in Misamis Oriental's hospitals when he was just a recently elected governor and made an emphasis on the drastic changes and improvements. Governor Bambi recalled that at the beginning of his administration, there was a shortage of equipment and medicines in all provincial hospitals, a critical shortage of doctors and nurses that will serve the people, and his discovery that the then recently constructed MOPH Alubijid is grossly substandard and has already incurred a lot of structural damages despite the huge amount spent for its completion. With the aim of changing the usual public perception that government-run facilities are dirty, lacking in equipment, and barely functional, Governor Bambi strived to provide state-of-the-art equipment to the province's medical facilities and to elevate the medical working environment to attract and hire the most competent medical professionals to staff the hospitals. The governor wants to assure the people of Misamis Oriental that they can be confident that despite being in his last term of office, this will not be the last of the medical programs and services that he will provide. And in his remaining days as the governor, he will continue to genuinely safeguard Misamis Oriental from all kinds of diseases, and not just from COVID-19. This is Jobson Patlunag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Jebson. In another development, based from the assessment and contact tracing, 90% of COVID-19 patients in the province were found out to have visited the city of Cagayan de Oro. With this, the provincial government and the provincial task force is again reminding everyone to refrain from going into the city unless extremely necessary. Here's Raymark Simania for the details.
Jing, either way we get COVID-19 in Cagayan de Oro or we deliver the virus in the city. It can happen in both ways, but if we try to look at the records now, it's clear that Cagayan de Oro's cases are rising fast. And so again, the provincial task force and the provincial government hope to get the cooperation of everyone.
Probably some people would see and take this as something political. But clearly, the records will show us that municipalities near to Cagayan de Oro such as the municipality of Apol and Taguluan are the ones of high COVID-19 cases in the province. Contact tracing and risk assessment will show us that 90% of the total number of COVID-19 positives in the province were actually able to visit Cagayan de Oro City. From that reason, the provincial government and its task force for COVID-19 has always been calling out the attention of everyone that if there's nothing really important or essential, people should refrain from entering Cagayan de Oro. Not only that we can help the city to at least slow down the virus from spreading, but hopefully be able to have a decrease in number of infected individuals. But most importantly, we get to save the lives of our family members and people in our community.
Today, Misamis Oriental is now on its 247 days since the provincial task force declared a state of calamity for COVID-19. As we continue to move our direction to victory, just like Governor Bambi Emano, we should live to be a leading example to everyone and mark a legacy of what love and care truly means. This is Raymark Simania, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Raymark, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I'm Jean Kerosif. Good day.